welcome to Don't Be Cheeky, the Michael Rosen Crazy Talk Show. Today we're gonna play a game. Is it? What's this here? No, screw that game. I mean the pickup game. Oh no. What we're gonna do is pick up the phone for anyone who calls 555-666 dinner. I'm gonna answer all the calls, but don't expect politeness. Yeah. Caller 1, you're on the air.
Hi, I'm augmented reality Rog. My computer started getting really slow, and then the virus scan told me my PC had a virus.
Yes, I know it had a voice, but we're not doctors or that kind of stuff. Caller 2, you're on the air.
Dinner.
Shut your face. Caller 3, you're on the air. Is your fridge running? More like sliding. Hang on, I'm gonna handle that. You take over. Brian? Yeah, okay. Yes?
Dinner.
Ah! The fuck is going on? I can't get a moment's peace round here. I'm okay. I think I know how these things work. Yes?
Yo ho ho and a bottle of pirates.
Hey, little guy.
Ah!
What a fat ass.
Boring around here.
My boy, this
Spaghetti!
is what all true warriors strive for.
I just wonder what Squadala's up to.
How can we die?
It is written only
The Michael Rosen.
Die!
Okay, that was
Different.
yeah. Yes?
Dinner.
Shut up, stinks. You can't rule my egg on toast, I think.
You can't have egg on toast for dinner. That's a breakfast food.
And it's morning.
My boy,
what's up, King?
this is morning.
Yeah, it sure is morning around here.
Breakfast.
Right, I think that's the end of this time slot. Brian, I'm gonna look for Michael. I'm standing just next to you. Well, we're out of time for
Brian,
today. Can you hear
next
me? Time. Brian, can you hear me? I'm right here. And cut. Right, that's a wrap. Gonna look for Michael. Now, I'm right here. Well, knowing him, he'll be back soon. If you'd see him, tell him I went to get groceries. I'm okay. Don't worry about it.